So, hi guys! For today's, I'm here with the Corporate Secretary of Jackson Queens Organization Incorporated with Micah Cabling Martinez.
Hello sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay! I am Maika Cabling Martinez, the Corporate Secretary and Representative of Jacks and Queen Organization Incorporated. And today is a big day for the organization because we've signed another agreement with Carousel Productions Incorporated.
So, which is, we will be choosing a candidate from Nueva Ecija, right?
Yes,
Sa Miss Philippines, sorry.
we're very excited because we all know that Miss Philippines Earth is such a big pageant. It's been here for so many years, and we're finding a queen who is purpose driven and who's really core with her advocacy. And this time we will be bringing it to the entire province of Nueva Ecija. We will be opening the doors for a lot of LGUs because the province of Nueva Ecija has 27 municipalities and 5 cities. So ngayon, we will be opening the platform to everyone, every representative.
Alright. Micah, so since may mga other qualifications din ng Miss Philippines Earth, will
Yes.
be using also the same
Yes,
qualifications ba?
yes, we'll also be using the same requirements, qualifications ng Miss Earth Philippines at dadali natin yun sa province.
So what's other plans pa sa sa Jackson
We're
Queens
actually very
Incorporated?
excited to announce soon yung ating mga partners sa LGU sa province, and we can't wait to start announcing more about this venture. So abangan nyo po ang mga announcement and posts sa ating mga official pages, and you can see updates from my personal page, Micah Kabling Martinez, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Paano yung magiging process ng selection nyo dito?
Well, for the selection, we'll be announcing that soon kapag na-launch na talaga namin sa province yung together with Carousel Productions Incorporated.
So for today, ano pang maabangan ng ating mga pageant fans?
Well, of course, lagi kong sinasabi sa mga interviews, this is just a start because hindi lang sa Nueva Ecija, hindi lang buong Nueva Ecija, pero gusto talaga namin sa Jax and Queen Organization Incorporated, maikot yung bawat municipalities and cities para makita natin ang best representative for this beautiful pageant na talagang core nila yung advocacy and protecting Mother Earth.
How many candidates will be choosing?
God willing, we will be sending 2 to 3 representatives for next year.
Wow, mukhang
Yes.
kaabang-abang ito. And matindi ang qualifications na hinahanap ng Jocks and Queen Organization Incorporated.
Yes.
Yeah. Meron ba silang social media platforms para kung sakaling may interested na mag-apply na mga taga Nueva Ecija, saan kanila mako-contact?
So actually, after signing this one, sunod-sunod na yung magiging phases nung ating gagawin. So the next one will be the official Facebook page ng Miss Philippines Earth Nueva Ecija. So that one will be announcing very soon also.
All right. Thank you so much, Micah, and congratulations
Thank
in
you.
advance.
Thank you very much. And again, as the representative of Jackson Queen Organization Incorporated, we are really envisioning not only Nueva Ecija, but hopefully we can partner with other organizations and LGUs all around the Philippines.
One last thing na lang, dear. Message mo sa mga aspiring candidates ng Nueva Ecija.
As your pageantera ate and a former pageantera like everyone, it's really nice to have different platforms where we can voice out our advocacies, the core of the causes we believe in, and that's why this is one of the dream of the organization to pave the way to more representatives to represent not only themselves but of course their municipalities, their cities, their provinces to the national stage.
Ayun. Thank you so much for that information,
Maraming
Micah.
salamat.
May plan ba na franchise ng international pageant ang Jackson Queens
Well, as
organization?
of the moment, we're the franchise or national pageants, but we're actually studying the possibility of venturing also to the international stage. And why not? It's really one of the biggest dreams of pageant queens to not only shout your name, your province, but of course, Philippines.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. And we hope for your support, continuous love, and prayers for the entire organization and to all the representatives.
Yes, let's support Miss Philippines Earth Nueva Ecija. Wow, bongga. Thank you.
Thank you.